Pushing your luck, understanding the risks. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, pushing one's luck. This expression is widely used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English communication. So, let's break it down together. Pushing one's luck is a phrase used to describe a situation where someone is taking greater risks after having already experienced success or good fortune, hoping that their success will continue. It implies that there is a chance their luck will run out, leading to negative consequences. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from simple daily decisions to major life choices. The exact origin of pushing one's luck is difficult to pinpoint, but it's clear that it comes from the concept of luck or fortune being a finite resource. This idea is prevalent in many cultures around the world, where pushing one's boundaries of luck is often seen as tempting fate. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. After winning a few games of cards, Jake decided to bet all his winnings on one last game, really pushing his luck. "I think you're pushing your luck by asking the boss for another day off," said Maria, concerned about her friend's boldness. These examples show how the phrase can be used to caution someone or to describe a situation where someone is possibly going too far with their fortunate streak. When using pushing one's luck, it's important to contextualize it within a scenario where there's an element of risk involved. It's mostly used in informal settings but can also be found in more formal or literary contexts to convey a sense of daring or risk-taking. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, pushing one's luck. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this expression effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural and contextual nuances that make it so rich and fascinating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to push your luck with learning English, but not too much.